I can now reveal the winner of the X Factor 2018 is... Dalton.
When I heard his name, I started screaming. I was so proud, as I'm sure everyone else was. Dalton Harris, the Digital Rising Stars winner from 2010, is now the 2018 X Factor. So we put together this little piece of intensity that's just for him.
We did have to come find the talk of the town this week, the man Dalton Harris. Tell us 3 words to describe 2018 for you so far.
Dedication, difficulty, building.
What have you been dedicated to?
Pretty much self-development as an artist. It's been meetings, auditions, performances.
Hello!
Hello,
What is your name?
my name is Dalton Harris.
And where are you from?
I flew here from Jamaica.
The crowd likes that.
Tell us about some of the difficulties that you've had to face.
Difficulty in terms of just the frustration of it all.
Who are some of your musical inspirations, Dalton?
I like mind work, please.
Dalton, you're a little bit nervous, aren't you?
Yes.
Don't be nervous. I want you to enjoy every second of this.
How long everything took for come to fruition and go through vocal therapy.
Vocal therapy for what?
I lose my voice entirely. I couldn't even say it.
How you end up losing your voice?
Too much work. Me to perform every single night for over a year.
Let's go. What have I gotta do to make you love me? What have I gotta do to make you care? Oh.
He showed his talent to the world and he made Jamaica proud as well.
Sailors fighting in the dance hall. Oh man, look at those cavemen go.
Him show him talent and thing. And,
So you're proud of him as a Jamaican?
as a Jamaican, yeah.
We've come out this morning to try to drum up support for Dalton, a superb talent.
Don't walk away from me, no. Don't you dare walk away from me.
Very proud, man, very proud.
My favorite song that he sang was Whitney Houston. Dalton, congratulations. I am proud of you.
Maybe you needed this platform, but trust me, we needed you on the show because this is what it's all about.
You are next level, man. Every time you perform.
X Factor, now watch it this season,
Yes, we did. Yes.
Talk to me about it. What do you think about Dalton?
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Him go on with things funny. Yeah, him go on with a bag of things. Him deserve to win, I'm not lie.
And what was your favorite song when him sing?
Listen.
Dalton, like a rhinestone buble, you blew that away, mate.
probably the best singer in this competition, if not the best singer that the X Factor's ever seen.
Take it off now, boy, take it off now, boy. I wanna see inside what you let me. Sleeping in your beautiful.
Felt a stronger love here than anywhere else ever. It's almost like I'm from here. I'm like one of theirs. You know, they've accepted me and shown me so much love and support.
You gonna get them, man. You get them.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Man. Everyone
Thank
loves
you,
man.
Dalton. I don't imagine this is going to be your favourite interview you've come here. Dalton, congratulations. What do you think, Benny? How you feeling?
Oh! You just won the X Factor.
I just won the X Factor.
It's been such a pleasure to work with him, and a true professional and a real winner throughout this. So I'm so proud of him.
I really think what you two have done together is incredible. You have my absolute respect.
Flame on burn desire, love with tongues of fire, purge the soul. Make love your goal.
Congratulations.
Give thanks, brother.
Big